Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. So I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this incredible pattern. You can make baby's dress, baby blanket. You can make much more with this pattern. Is you can see edges are also good. You can see this way. Brilliant this pattern. I hope you will like it. You can see back side look like this, front side look like this. I finished this pattern with single crochet row, so I hope you will love this pattern. It's super quick and easy. Let me show you. So I hope you can understand. So let's start. I'm gonna make small model, but blue color I'm gonna use light blue. It's quite a bit green. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 oh sorry 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So any just make even number. I made 20, you can make 30 40, you can make 50 90, just any even number. So make single crochet row first row, continue like this first row. So at the end you should have 19 one less than. I made 20, then at the end single crochet you should have 19. I have 19 single crochet. So chain 1, I'm gonna repeat this first time because when you start this pattern you have to make two times single crochet. So this row I'm gonna continue again single crochet. Okay, I will show you at the end. I made again 19 single crochet. Top of this I have 2 rows with single crochet. Okay, now I'm gonna make chain 1 single crochet here at the end, then yarn over. In next stitch I'm gonna make down there double, front post double, next stitch top of there single crochet, yarn over, next down there I'm gonna make double, then next top of next I'm gonna make single again. So this pattern has a multiple 2. Next, okay, don't make it behind this, which is behind this stitch. I'm gonna leave next stitch here. We make single crochet, then yarn over, make front post double, then next make single, then make next double, single, here single, So I have one stitch at the end. I'm gonna make single there. So let's see, it's look like this. Chain 1. So one row always with these 2 rows, just only first time 2 rows single crochet. So 1 row single crochet all the time you have to make. So I'm gonna make 19, same amount single crochet. Okay, always. Next row is very important pattern. I will show you next row. So I'm gonna continue. So just single crochet. Always you need to make 1 row with single crochet. So chain 1. Can you see? This time I'm gonna make 2. One time I made 1 single crochet last row when I made this. So this time I'm gonna make 2 single crochet. Next, top of this, single crochet. So now yarn over. I'm gonna make this here. Don't pull here, here. Next, don't make behind this here, which is next stitch. Single, yarn over, again here. Front post, next, single, front post, next, single crochet, then front post, then single crochet, then front post, then single, front post, then single, front post, again single one, front post, like this, single, then again single. So 1 row you have to make single. Last row I made here 1 single, and I made this side 1 single as well. This time I made in 1 row you have to make 2 single this side, then 2 single here at this end. So I hope you understand now. Always like this. 1, I'm gonna make single crochet row again. Okay, always single crochet row like this. So I'll show you at the end. Viewers, I am at the end in single row, single crochet row, make chain 1. I'm going to turn my work so you can see edges. You're going right, the edges are so good, pretty. If you're going wrong, then you can't have nice edges. Okay, you can't see near. So Again I'm gonna, last time I made 2 single crochet in here. This row I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in here, yarn over, then here front post. Okay, then top of this single crochet, then front post, then single crochet, then front post, single crochet, then front post. Front post, then single crochet, front post, single crochet, front post. So look, this side I'm gonna make just 1 single crochet. So I hope you understand now this pattern. It's very easy, very quickly pattern. You can finish your project really quick. Chain 1, again I'm gonna make single crochet row. So viewers, I hope you understand this pattern now. I will stop this pattern. I show you how, I showed you already how you can make this really quickly. When you finish your project, you should have this last one, a single crochet row. Okay viewers, when you finish, then make chain 1, then yarn, okay, like this, then cut belong. So I'm gonna stop this pattern in here. It's enough to learn. It's easy. I hope you love this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment.